Hello guys, and today I am going to be making some slime. It is some very easy slime. All you need is some conditioner and some cornstarch. It is very easy to make. And so let's get started. Oh, also, one thing I also forgot is you can get some paint or dye of your choice to put in this. So I got some purple paint here because I want to make mine either a light purple or a lavender. Hopefully that's how it turns out, but I'm not sure. And I'm using paint. Okay, this is pretty much it. It was very, very easy to make. This was probably very boring to you guys. But it did turn out how I wanted. It matches my table and also loves it too because it keeps sticking to it. So it turned out how I wanted. I did make a big mess everywhere, but I think it's okay because this is kind of like a buttery slime, I would think. It's probably the closest slime. It's not that stretchy, it doesn't click or anything. Just normal. I feel like a butter slime. I did make one like this earlier. I actually did make it yellow. It is by far the best so far. I love it. It's such a pretty color. I didn't actually think it would turn the same color that I hoped it would, but it actually did. And so thank you all for watching. And if you liked this, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.